messieurs, dames, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, buonasera, signori, signori. Ce soir, comme tous les autres soirs d'ailleurs, vous savez très bien qu'ici au Black Sheep Club, l'attraction, c'est vous. Alors, approchez-vous, messieurs, dames, venez-y, step right up, ladies and gentlemen.
What's going on?
Fun and games. Evidently, we're the floor show. Come on.
What, you and me?
Everyone.
Avanti, avanti, signori, signori. Écoutez-moi bien, messieurs, dames, les règles du jeu sont très simples. Alors, écoutez-moi. Alors, il y a deux équipes. There are two teams. Et pour chaque équipe, il y a une orange. For every team, there is one orange. Una naranja. Un appelsiné. Vous mettez l'orange sur le manteau comme ça. You put the orange on it like so. Vous passez cette orange à la personne derrière vous. You pass the orange to the person behind you. Mais sans vous servir les mains. Without the use of your hands. Are you ready? Uno, due, tre.
Mrs. Lambert.
Who are you?
Didn't Charles tell you, Mrs. Lambert?
Tell me what?
It doesn't belong to you. You do know that, don't you?
I don't know anything.
Mrs. Lambert. Any morning now, you could wake up dead, Mrs. Lambert.
Leave me alone.
Dead, Mrs. Lambert, like last week's news, like Charles, Mrs. Lambert.
Stop it.
What's the trouble?
You stepped on my foot.
Forgive me.
Wait here. I won't be long.
It was quite unintentional, I'm sure.
Mr. Bartholomew, this is Regina Lambert. Mr. Bartholomew, I just saw one of those men. Mr. Bartholomew, can you hear me? Mr. Bartholomew, this is Regina Lambert. I just...
Howdy.
What do you want?
Now, you must be kidding.
No, I'm not.
Now, come on now, Miss Lambert. You know what it is? You're gonna get it for me, too. 'Cause you know I ain't fooling around here. No, sirree, Bob.
No, that's please.
Now, don't make too much noise, Miss Lambert.
Oh.
It could get a whole lot worse, you know. Now, it belongs to me, Miss Lambert. And you're gonna get it for me. Or your life ain't gonna be worth the paper it's printed on. You say what I'm saying to you?
Stop! Stop! Please stop!
Now, you go home and think it over real careful
You're
right now.
insane.
You
You're
hear?
absolutely insane.
What's the matter? What are you doing in here?
I'm having a nervous breakdown.
waited long enough. What happened back there?
I'm not sure if I'm supposed to tell you or not.
What does that mean?
He said if I told anybody, it could prove fatal for them as well as for me.
Who said?
That's what I'm not supposed to say.
Now stop that nonsense.
Stop bullying me. Everybody's bullying me.
I'm not bullying
Yes,
you.
you were. You said it was nonsense. Being murdered in cold blood is not nonsense. Why don't you try it sometime?
Would you mind seeing me to the door?
Of course not.
It's a good place for making friends.
You said this afternoon your husband was mixed up in something.
How do you shave in there?
What was it?
What was what?
What your husband was mixed up in.
Look, I know it's asking you to stretch your imagination, but don't you think you could pretend just for a moment that I'm a woman?
Now listen, I could already be arrested for transporting a minor above the first floor. Here you are.
Where?
On the street where you live.
How about once more around the park?
How about getting out of here? Come on, child, out.
Won't you come in for a minute?
No, I won't.
I don't bite, you know. Unless it's called for.
How would you like a spanking?
How'd you like a punch in the nose? Stop treating me like a child.
Well, then stop behaving like one. Now, if you want to tell me what's troubling you, fine. If not, I'm tired, it's late, and I want to go home to bed. Oh?
Do you know what's wrong with you?
No, what?
Nothing.
Where is it, lady?
I don't know.
I want it. You give it to me. It's mine!
Peter! Peter! A man tried to kill me! Peter? Peter, are you all right? Oh, Peter, are you hurt?
I sprained my pride. How are you?
Scared.
You'll be all right. Where did he go?
Out the window, I guess.
Well, lock the door and don't let anyone in except me. And close these windows after me.
Be careful.
You just took the words right out of my mouth.
Now, Pamela.
It happened again. Another strange man peered in the window at me and then went away.
Bad luck, Pamela. That was a dumb move.
Herman, man, and then some. If you'd only let us know you was going up to her room, we could have done something to keep him busy. But sneaking off up there that way by yourself. Man, what did you expect him to do? Walk up and shake you by that hand of yours?
A dumb move, Herman, a dumb move.
Yes, it was a dumb move, Herman. What is the matter with you?
You want some more?
Never mind that. Did you get the money?
How could I with the 3 Marx Brothers breathing down my neck? I thought we had an agreement. Now, the girl trusts me. If she's got the money, I'll find out about it. But you just leave me alone.
We took all the chances. The money belongs to us, not to him.
Now, don't be piggy, Herman. A third of nothing is nothing. Just think about that. But make up your mind. She's waiting for me.
I don't see how another 24 hours could hurt anything.
Well, shoot, no, not after all these years.
Then he gets it out of your share, not mine. Not mine.
Either one of you got the room next to her?
Yeah, I have. Why?
Give me the key. Get yourself another room. I want to use it.
But if you do find that money, you ain't gonna forget to tell your buddies about it, are you?
Don't worry.
Oh, no, I ain't worrying. You see this little fella here? Oh, he worries. And he's even meaner than I am.